Hi, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use Robyte's Separate RGB plugin. It is a native plugin for both After Effects and Premiere Pro. We're going to show you how to use it in After Effects, but all the controls are the same in Premiere. You select it from the Robyte submenu, and here we are, Separate RGB. It's very straightforward to use this plugin. Three main categories, one for each channel, the red, green, and blue channel. And when you open them, you'll see all the same controls for all the channels. So everything you can do in one channel, you can do for all the channels independently. All of the channels can also be controlled by keyframes and or expressions. So the first one here, we'll just go down the red channel options. You can offset the channel in either X or Y. And let's just reset that back. You can also rotate it. It's pretty straightforward. You can scale it. So here we're scaling it up and scaling it down. You can then take the original image and blend it back in with the channel. So you're going to get a bit of an additive effect here. You can blur the channel. Blurring the channels, by the way, is a nice way to get do interesting color correction. I'm going to go ahead and reset this. If we just blur, say for example, the green channel a bit with the blue channel, you get a little bit of this cool like Instagram photo look, because you still have one of the channels is sharp, but you're blurring the other channels, so it almost looks like a vintage film look of some sort. So you know, this plugin can be used for many different purposes, not just for like, you know, chromatic aberration style effects. Let's go ahead and reset this again. So then continuing on here, we can just fade the channel independently. So you can just fade the red channel up and down. You can distort. This is new in this version, by the way. You have optical distortion for each channel. So you can actually distort it in either direction. So you can really do the chromatic aberration effect very easily now. So you can also decide where the center of the distortion is just by, it's the second control here that moves where that was the, sorry, let's reset that. I moved the wrong control. So let's go ahead and distort this, not so much. And then moving the distortion center, you can choose, that's this control now here. So you can see I can choose which side or how the distortion actually works. So you can do some really cool effects with this control. And if you just do it subtly, so let's say like here, like we'll do -0.5. You can just get this. So this basically looks normal, but here on the edges, we'll go ahead and blow this up so you can really see it. You can really see this sort of nice fringing here that only kind of happens on the edges. And this is a really nice way to add a little, you know, touch to like motion graphics specifically. So that's really all there's to it. And then you can, of course, do all the same things for each channel. You can do all the same for the red channel, the green channel, and the blue channel. And you know, obviously you can combine them however you want. So that's Separate RGB, the new version from Robyte, which includes the optical distortion as well as the compatibility in Premiere Pro. And it's also native now. It used to be a Pixel Bender plugin. So hope you guys enjoy it.